Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. So today I have a Pride's inspired makeup and hair look. If you guys don't know, it's Pride month, and I'm gay. I'm actually bisexual, and I decided to create a makeup and hair look inspired by the bisexual flag, which is pink, purple, and blue. And I did that because everyone does like rainbow looks, and I just kind of wanted to do something different. So here's that. I'm putting a voiceover on this video because I didn't feel like talking when I was recording. And oh my god, look at my over bleached knot, guys. I still don't know how to properly bleach knots, but okay. So yeah, okay, this hair is by SVT Hair. I will leave all the information when it comes to like texture and everything down below. It was actually like 20 inches long, and I decided to cut it into like a long bob, and then I also cut some bangs, but I did this off camera because I don't know, just didn't want to film it. And then I basically just put like two little buns on top of my head, and then I went in with the straightener. Kind of, I don't even know what I was doing. At first I started straightening, and then later on I did some like loose curls, waves. I don't really know what I was doing, but I absolutely love this wig, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it more. I really love bangs, but I don't know, bangs are just really annoying, and I just don't want to cut my bangs again. I cut my own bangs like last year, and now I'm growing them out, and this day I just kind of felt like having bangs, but obviously I wasn't going to cut my own hair, so that's why wigs are perfect. I do definitely love this hair a lot though. The frontal wasn't customized at all, like it wasn't plucked or anything, so I had to do a lot of that myself, but it was really easy to do. And then I went in with these L'Oreal like Colorista hair sprays thingies. I had 3 colors. Two of them were kind of like a blue, and then I had a pink, but mixing the blue and the pink basically made it kind of purple as well. So I had the perfect color combination. Oh my god, so this hairspray, literally, like I was choking on it, but you have to spray this on after you put the color on to make it stay. I was dying, like it was disgusting. So yeah, I put this in my hair to give it some color. I could have also dyed the hair, but I feel like this is a lot like easier. You can just spray it on and wash it out, and it's just for like a one-time thing, and then, you know, it's not permanent, and you're also not damaging the hair. So this is kind of what it looked like. It was pretty messy. I just kind of sprayed it on there. Like I didn't really know what I was doing. One side was a bit more pink, and then the other was more blue. And yeah, so that's the hair. There's me posing. Okay. Oh, I also had to change, by the way, because I got some of the like spray thing on my clothes, so make sure you watch out for that. So I started priming my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I set it with some RCMA No Color Powder. There we go. Starting it. And this really bad thing happened. First of all, when I started the eyeshadow, I wasn't recording, and then I also just like totally messed up my eye. I tried to do this like halo blue type of thing, and you'll see like it looks so bad, but please ignore that because I'm gonna be fixing it later. There. Okay, this looks absolutely awful. I thought I was filming myself when I was doing my other eye, but I wasn't, so I was only able to show you this eye, which kind of sucked. But basically what I did was I started out with the pink shade in the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. I don't have a palette with me right now, so I don't know the shade names, but there's only one pink. So I started out with the pink, and I put it on pretty heavily, and then kind of blended it out, and then I went in with the purple, put this in a crease and kind of in the inner and outer corner of my eye, to kind of create that halo effect. And I was just going back and forth with these shades, building it up and then blending. And I was trying to do like a blue halo and then like putting glitter on top, but that totally just messed up. It didn't look good at all, as you can see. So I'm still doing it to this eye, and then I'm going in with a Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Kitten and fixing it, but you'll see that in a little bit. I'm just gonna let you watch me do my makeup. There's not really much to it. I can just speed that up, but I'll leave all the information about the hair that I'm wearing down below, and I think that's all. Also, all the makeup products, everything is always listed down below, so you don't have to comment and ask because it's always in the description. I get those questions a lot, like, oh, what you're using here, blah, blah, like, it's always in the description. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I love you.
In the stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own desire, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever. Love is forever. Gotta let go. To believe you gotta let go. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Just close your eyes, and when you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. In the stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost and this is a clue.